Audra. This is Brody, Kaden, and my husband Ed.
So Brody was 2.5 years old when he was diagnosed. He was actually diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia, ALL. He just had a typical cold, what we thought was just a cough. It was in November, December time frame, so we thought that was normal. And every week he just seemed to progress worse and worse. We were taking him to the doctor, they just thought it was a virus. And then by the 4th week, we took him in and they did some other tests and they found out that he did have leukemia. So it took about 4 weeks to kind of present itself. And then the blood work showed that, he did in fact have it. And so he was diagnosed December 9th, 2011. So Birdie, thankfully, has been in remission for 5 years. He is doing amazing. He is now in 5th grade. He's getting ready to go to middle school next year. So again, when he was first diagnosed, we didn't see that day coming. We hoped that we would be able to see these milestones happening, and here we are. So he is striving, he is healthy, he's happy, and again, we couldn't have had this without UPMC Children's Hospital.